So today I will explain a little bit about supervised learning. I will take an easy example. First, we give the system many pictures of cats and dogs together with the correct labels. This is called label data. The system is trying to learn the difference between cats and dogs. Next, the model studies the pictures and learn the pattern of and features of cats and dogs, such as ear shape and eyes. The AI learned this pattern from many examples during training. Finally, when we give a new picture without a label, the model will predict whether it is a cat or a dog. So, the output will be either cat or dog. The system used what it learned during training to make prediction on new data. This is supervised learning because the training data already contains the correct answers or labels.
Hello everyone, I will explain about unsupervised learning in machine learning using Google Photos as an example. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning where the AI learns by itself without labeled data or direct instructions from humans. The system analyzes the data and finds patterns automatically. One common technique in unsupervised learning is called clustering. Clustering means grouping similar data together based on their similarities. In Google Photos, the AI analyzes facial features such as the eyes, nose, mouth, and the face shape from many different photos. Then, the system automatically groups photos of the same person into one cluster. As you can see in this example, Google Photos successfully separates and groups pictures of each individual even though the photos were taken in different places, lighting, and the angles. This process is known as face clustering. At first, the AI doesn't know the person's name, but it can still group the photos by recognizing similar facial patterns.
After the clustering process is completed, user can label the group with a name, for example, Kim Sojin. This makes it easier for user to search and organize their photos. This example clearly shows how unsupervised learning works in real life. The AI is able to identify patterns and similarities without needing labeled training data at the beginning. Besides Google Photos, clustering is also used in many other applications such as customer analysis, recommendation system, and data organization. In conclusion, Google Photos is a good example to understand how clustering in unsupervised learning work in daily lives. Thank you.
Next, we would like to explain reinforcement learning using the game Overcooked All You Can Eat. In this game, players learn the best strategy through rewards, penalties, and repeated attempts. So, let's see it. First, the player don't know the best strategy. They make many mistakes while trying to complete customer orders. Wrong actions cause penalties such as failed orders and lost points. This is part of the learning process in reinforcement learning.
I put it in the bag! You fool!
In the learning process, they repeated the game so many times to learn better strategies. They started dividing tasks where one person cuts the ingredients while the other person cooks. This made their movement become so much faster and more organized. By learning from mistakes, they understood the best way to complete the orders efficiently. After going through the learning process, they served the food successfully and the customers were so happy. They completed more orders correctly and received a higher score. As they are getting better at the game, correct actions give them more rewards such as points, successful food serving, and happy customers. In conclusion, the game Overcooked shows reinforcement learning because the players improve by learning from mistakes and trying better strategies each time.